How to use Brevo for WhatsApp. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can set up and use Brevo for WhatsApp. So let's get into it. So as you can see, all you have to do is come over here onto brevo.com and then just simply click on sign up for free and we'll get started. Now you can sign up with either your email address or password or continue with Google. It depends on you. Now over here, just fill out this form. And once you fill out this form, you are good to go. Then you can just simply select the plan you want. As you can see, there are four plans: the free, the starter, the business, and the preview. And down below are everything they offer. And once you're done that, over here is going to be your dashboard. And now you are set to go. Now what you want to do is you want to come over here onto dashboard and come over here onto the left hand side. Underneath campaign, you're going to see WhatsApp. You're going to click on WhatsApp. And over here, you're going to have to set it up. So over here, click on create a campaign, type the name of your campaign, but that is to create a campaign. For now, we're just going to set up WhatsApp. So for now, we're going to click on manage settings, and it says right here, log in with Facebook. So we're going to do that. And over here, they're going to ask you to verify yourself. They're going to send you a verification code to authenticate your number. Make sure that the number you have is on and is currently on WhatsApp, because that is how they're going to contact you and send you the code through WhatsApp. So click on continue. Now over here, to authenticate your business account, open this link on a separate tab. You must generate a code in your authenticator app and you are good to go. So let's go ahead and do that. So now we had to log in into our Facebook account. After you've confirmed your Facebook account, then they will ask you to enter in your business details over here. You must have a valid business. It is required that you verify your account as soon as possible and all of that. Then just simply click on continue. Next, what you need to do is fill out your business info, add in your business company, your business website, and then click on next. Add in your business, create a business WhatsApp, all of that. Click on next and just simply fill out these forms, your WhatsApp business account, category which it falls into, and after that you should be good to go. And once that's done, just go ahead and enter in your phone number and you should be good to go. Now I'm going to end it right here because I already have a WhatsApp account, and to do that you actually need a business account, a separate account. Mine is already connected, so I can't really do that. But all you have to do is enter in your phone number and then move along with the final step where they will send you a verification code, and then you will have to verify it, and then your WhatsApp will be set up with your Brevo account. And that is how you use Brevo with WhatsApp, and then you are good to go. So pretty simple. That is how you do it. That is how you connect WhatsApp to your Brevo account, and that is how you start